साईं मेरा बच्चा, साईं साईं साईं। हाँ हाँ, आई वांट टू। साईं मेरे बच्चे, साईं। बनवारी रे जीने का सहारा तेरा नाम रे, मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे। बनवारी रे जीने का सहारा तेरा नाम रे, मुझे दुनिया वालों से क्या काम रे। पुत्र एक काम कर, इसको दे दो, यीशु को दे, रैंडमली खोल के एक पेज दे देगा। Open any page randomly and we'll read from there today. Yeah, open and give it to Danny uncle. Yeah, anywhere. Perfect. Super. Just give it to us. Let's see what Baba has for us today. Arey wow. Wow. हाँ, प्रसाद दे दीजिए राजा, प्लीज दीजिए। राजा क्या करते हो? All of you are very lucky, Raghu. Last Sai मेरा बच्चा, last Sunday after the satsang, so Danny said we should read a chapter. Same chapter. I was thinking, Baba, we should have read it, and it is exactly the same. Because today he doesn't know, Ishu doesn't know why Baba wanted us to do this. Let's beautiful, very amazing. Or maybe because certain people, Raghu, you may not know, Raja, we're all enjoying Swiss chocolate today. So one of our saints had been visiting to ashram in Switzerland. So ये ऑन करना पीछे से account, and certain are saying there a Swiss bank account also is there. Sign. So उसका थोड़ा volume, the bottom one, उसको थोड़ा सा increase करना, नीचे में right side पे हल्का सा साइन सात वाला कौन सा नीचे है? साइन। आप जाने से पहले भाईजी से मां मृत्युंजय मंत्र का एक फोटो ले लेना। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। Chapter 10. Sai Baba's mode of life, his sleeping plank, his stay in Shirdi, his teachings, his humility, Nanavali, the easiest path. Now, this is an amazing aspect that last week we happened to read the chapter after the satsang live, and it was so depth, and Baba brought it back today. Amazing. Remember him, Sai Baba, with all love, for he was never engrossed in doing good to all and always abandoned in his self. He was ever engrossed in doing good to all and always abided in his self. To remember him only is to solve the riddle of life and death. This is the easiest and the best of sadhanas, as it involves no expenditure. A little exertion here brings great rewards. So as long as our senses are sound, we should minute by minute practice this sadhana. All other gods are illusory. Guru is the only God. If we believe in Sadguru's holy feet, he can change our fortune for the better. If we serve him sincerely, we get rid of our worldly affections. We need not study any philosophy like the Nyaya and the Mimamsa. As we trust the helmets in crossing rivers and seas, so we have to trust our Satguru in getting over the ocean of worldly existence. The Sadguru looks to be intense feeling and devotion of his devotees, endows them with knowledge and eternal bliss. In the last chapters, Baba's mendencies and devotees' experiences and other subjects are dealt with. Let the readers now read where and how Baba lived, he slept, and how he taught, etc. Wow. So, Putra, here a question arises very simply, right? We are always being pushed to do certain, sadhanas, certain practices. Right? Nothing wrong in that. Nothing wrong. Baba says that remembering him all the time itself takes you beyond just remembering him. Now, how do you remember him all the time? Hmm? Yes, but Namjap is one aspect, Dinubhai, but Namjap you will not be able to do every minute, every second, right? What are the other ways to do it?
Take Baba's name in whatever we do.
Okay, how? Example.
Like when you're drinking water, say like Baba drink water, drink after that.
Okay, wonderful. So any action you do, you think of him first. Any action. Working, eating, sleeping, talking, walking, cooking, showering, doesn't matter what you're doing. Just simply. And what you know how Raghu said, you know, though he gets mad sometimes, that's a different story. Hello, no, Raja?
कहते इनको गुस्सा नहीं आता है बाबा जी
No, Raja, इनको गुस्सा नहीं आता, बट वो क्या होता है कि गुब्बारे के अंदर फूलना शुरू हो जाता है.
वही ना
The balloon doesn't have to let the air go up, but the balloon starts to swell inside. So what happens when the swelling goes inside? You're harming yourself. You're just harming yourself. If you have a bitter tongue, right? You're saying bad things, bad words. Whom are you harming? Hmm? Again, yourself. Whether you're telling to your family, whether you're telling to your friends, whomever you're telling it, it's you. It's just you. And ultimately, it'll come to you. What is the right thing to do? Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Putra, how will it affect when you only take name sign? Okay, let me put it one thing more easy for you. For us, we know Sai as Baba. You know, Sai Baba, we all talk about that. But there is, in Sufism, it is said Khuda, he is also Sai. I, Baba, they are also Sai, mother and father. A person who takes away your darkness is also Sai. In a form of Nirakar is also Sai. It is just simple Sai. And how does it help, Putra, that when you're just chanting his name all the time, how is it going to affect you in a good way? How? How is it going to affect you? Simple. Manasthiti. So you're in any situation, what will happen? Good or bad? But you cannot pick and choose days and time that you want to chant. That cannot happen. It is a daily and a continuous effort. I'm mad, I will not do anything. My state of mind doesn't allow me to do anything. Right now, I'm not in a good mood. I'm not going to do this. Now I'm in a good mood. I will do this. No, it is not going to happen. So what will happen? Ao Sai, Khao Sai, Chalo Sai, Ruk Jao Sai, Le Lo Sai, De Do Sai, Bolo Sai, Kha Lo Sai, Le Jao Sai, Lao Sai, आओ साईं, जाओ साईं, सो जाओ साईं, उठ जाओ साईं, चलो साईं। तो आप जब किसी से प्रेम करते हो, when you start loving somebody, what happens? Every moment, every thought is just around that person, right? Hmm? It is just around that person all the time. Whatever it is, you're always thinking of that. Why can't we develop the same kind of a love and affection with them? Why? Hmm? What's so difficult? Ultimately, also our journey is part of is going to end there only. So why not now? We were discussing this last whole week. I'll discuss with you is that you have a piece of land, at your home, somewhere, wherever, right? Little piece of land, maybe your front yard or a backyard. All of us have a little bit part to play. Maybe even if you're living in a condo, still there's a little flower place or a pot, right? You can have anything, right? So is it not our choice? What do we want to plant in that? You can plant a flower, you can plant cactus, you can plant a palm tree, you can plant chilies, you can plant tomatoes, you can plant anything you want to plant, you can plant. It is you, it is me who wants to do it. But if we make a right choice, because the water is not changing, the mud is not changing, the sunlight is the same for everything you want to plant. If it is the same, why would we not plant something which will benefit others also, which will give sweetness? Everything is same, nothing is changing. What is changing is what we want to plant is exactly what we want to think. What do we want to stress to? What do we want to really put pressure on? Do I want to put pressure on, what, I'm having trouble. It's so much pressure. Yes, there will be a pressure. Who's taking away the pressure? You've already built it. No, no, I cannot do it now. I will not do it now. You won't be able to do it. I can't go. You won't be able to go. I am tired. Yes, I am tired. You won't be able to move. I'm in pain. You are in pain. But the moment you say, I will do it, I can, I will do it. It is just an objection of one time to overcome. That's all it is. An objection to overcome one time only. I can do it. I will do it. Yes. I can do it. It's still spectacle. We may not, but I will do it. Means now you're motivating yourself on your own to move on. And what happens then? Then you said, I will do it. And it will be done. It will be done. And what happens after that? Huh? Yes. And what happens then? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Bhagavate Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo 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 Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om 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 Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Satchidananda. You know, this is so beautiful line. Feel like reading it again and again. He solves the riddle of life and death. This is the best and easiest of sadhanas, as it involves no expenditure. A little exertion here brings the great rewards. Is it not so beautiful? It solves the riddle of life and death. The best and easiest of sadhanas, as it involves no expenditure. A little exertion here brings great rewards. So, as long as our senses are sound, we should minute by minute practice this sadhana. Guru is the only God. If we believe in Satguru, holy feet, he can change our fortune for the better. If we serve him sincerely, we get rid of our worldly affections. If we serve him sincerely, only then we get rid of worldly affections. We need not study any philosophy like the Nyaya and Mimamsa. Is it not? Look at every step of guidance. You don't need to do nothing. Just my name is sufficient, and remembering me all the time is everything. What else do we need? Hmm? What else, Raja? We are always struggling for what? The riddle of life, right? Is it not? A pain and sorrows from the world we get. We don't get from inside. Our inside doesn't give us pain. It's our thoughts generated pain. It is our bodily impacted and affected pain. As a child said, manasthiti and parasthiti. Your inner self is shaken. How will you get peace? Because you have shaken it. And some children do gundagardi. I told you I know better than you. Don't try to teach me. क्या दीपक? हेलो दीपक जी, है ना? कितनी बार होता है ना? Don't try to teach. I know everything. What do you know? हाँ, रणवीर जी? हैं? We are not ready to listen. But what is the best thing? Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram Ram Ram
Sai Ram Ram Ram
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri
Sai Ram Ram Sai Ram Ram Ram
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram Ram Ram
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram Ram Ram
Sai
Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Shri Ram Sai Ram Ram Shri Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Ram Ram. She said, I really want मेरे बच्चे, then when your time of satsang gets over, all of you are in a state where you don't want to come out. You get into that. I want all of you to get that, so that you can feel, enjoy the bliss, enjoy. As we were chanting, both times just came up. You know, when we were doing Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I felt, so suppose Narayan comes in a whole full form, we are just here and he's there. What does he do? What does he do? He comes down to our level. He doesn't show his supremacy. He reduces his height and comes to your level to talk just a few feet up so that you can do that pranam part. Look at Bhagavan comes down to your level to tell you. Is it not beautiful? Just imagine that, Raja. Just think of this. If he can come to your level, why can't we go a level low? Huh? Why? Why can't we go level low? दीन कहेगी पीड़ पराई पावन वैष्णव जन को दीन कहेगी पीड़ पराई पावन दे. See, we should strive to take somebody's pain away. We should give them the kindness of words to heal them with that. That is the key in success. We do everything in our lives. We want to do everything. We want to do the best of everything. Multiple options, multiple thoughts, multiple actions, everything multiple. And better, better. We all want to be better, right? Chantal? Huh?
Yes.
We want to do everything the best I can do for my family. Give them the best, live in the best, have the best. But what about the internal being the best? Where's the time for that, Raja? Chantal?
You have to make the time for it.
Why we have to make? Why there is no planning, Raja?
Right.
We planned everything, no? For doing better.
Yes.
Where is the plan to improvise and rise from that? Why on a day-to-day basis we don't have a plan to rise? वो सुबह कभी तो आई, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी. There will be one day. There will be a time. One day. One day. One day. Come here, little bachcha. Come here. Come here, मेरी बच्चे. One day. One day. One day. नहीं कुछ नहीं. मुझे तो खुद भी समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूं. लगता है कि वो पल कौन सा होगा जब जिस पल तुझसे मिलन होगा. वो पल कैसा होगा जिस पल सिर्फ तू होगा. वो पल कैसा होगा जब ये छोटा सा दिया उस चिराग में मिल जाएगा. तो वो पल कैसा होगा. कैसा होगा जब ये बूंद अपना अस्तित्व खो देगी और उस सागर में मिल जाएगी. तो वो वक्त कैसा होगा. कैसा होगा वो समा जहाँ सिर्फ तू ही तू होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. जहां तक देखूंगा सिर्फ तू ही तू होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. सिर्फ तू और तेरी दुनिया और कुछ भी नहीं. You know, there used to be a very old song. Just Baba brought a line of that, and I love that now. So whenever there's an opportunity, and I'll come back and tell what I best I could translate. Also, I'll try my best. Okay. This is, रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के चले बागे वफा में. If we are not, if live or don't, but the time will come. We maybe come as a little, what is called loss. The कली को क्या बोलते हैं मतलब? But we will always have your sense, your smell, your aroma, your things. We are there or not, but as your energy will always be floating all the time. In any form we come, it will be you and your energy, and all the time. I want to read this last line before I want to conclude, and all of you should pay attention to this, because I could not read further, because last time we tried to complete the chapter. I don't want to complete the chapter because this one line says everything, Raja. The Sadguru looks to the intense feeling and devotion of his devotees, endows them with knowledge and eternal bliss. Simple. It's chapter 10, first paragraph only. You should read this line, Raja. You should read this line. The Sadguru looks to the intense feeling and devotion of his devotees, endows them with knowledge and eternal bliss. This will only come when you have surrendered yourself. Otherwise, it doesn't come. Remember, mere bachcho, the time is short. Life is not that long. Few years back, when you got together, you had a lot of plans to do in life. You have come a long way. It is the sunset time. before the sun sets. Let us get the light to be able to merge with him. Let's overcome that. Huh? So what do we do? Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. हे सच्चिदानंद सतगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
की जय।
थैंक यू मेरे बच्चों, थैंक यू सो मच।
जय साई राम।
जय साई
जय
राम।
साई राम।
साई मेरा बच्चा, थैंक्स। आई होप ईश्वर इज डूइंग बेटर मेरा बच्चा।
Doing
Yes, it's
better,
getting
Babaji.
better.
Thank you
Don't
so much.
साई
Jai Sai Ram.